Hello, Peter B. here, aka Drummer Shaman. I just want to send you a gentle reminder about the upcoming masterclass happening right here in my home on August 23rd and 24th. And whether you've been with me before or you're brand new to the work, this weekend is going to be an invitation to slow down and remember who you truly are. This remembering is vital, for it's the path to freedom, love, spiritual fulfillment, and true purpose. For those who have joined me in the last masterclass, we'll visit some familiar practices, but this time I'll be sharing some new tools. We'll be going deeper layers and giving you practical ways to bring this work into your daily life. After this masterclass, you'll be able to default into the knowing that no outside voice is stronger than your inner truth, and that your response is your power, and also how to realize when you're giving away your power and how to maintain it, and so much more. Once again, in this masterclass, myself and my counsel will be working on each of you individually, gently clearing out any energetic blocks that may be weighing you down or holding you back. And each time we gather, something unique unfolds. You'll leave with fresh insight, unique tools, and a strong connection to your divine one within, your spirit, which will bring you a renewed sense of peace and clarity into your being. You will leave with a solid connection to your happiness and freedom. So, if you've been thinking about it, now's the time to join in. We still have a few spots available, and we'd love to have you in our circle, in our family. As a reminder, space is intentionally limited to ensure that each participant receives personalized guidance and attention throughout the experience. You can find the link to register in this email, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Blessings, hasta pronto, that means see you soon in Spanish.